guys, Phil here with another unboxing. This also is a kit that I picked up from Metro Hobbies. I'll leave a link down below, be sure to check them out. This time it's the Crossbone Gundam X-1 Fullcloth Master Grade. This is another Bandai release. As usual, it's got the nice illustration on the front cover. Okay, on this side it's got some action poses, got a close-up of the bust, nice action pose in full mode. Also shows some of the moving parts and the markings, as well as the inner frame. On the bottom corner here it does show the recommended retail price in yen, which is 4,500 or equivalent to $45 to $50. On this side here, just got the illustration of the bust, the Master Grade logo, as well as the Bandai. Okay, on this side here, in this corner, you've got pictures of the Fullcloth, nice close-ups of that. Got also the front view, rear view, and some illustrations of the weapons that come with this kit. And on its sides, same as the other side, it's got the bust illustration as well as the Master Grade logo and the Bandai. Alright, here we've got bag 1, consists of one runner. Bag 2, as well as one runner. Bag 3, 2 runners. Bag 4, 2 runners. Bag 5, it's got one runner and the shields. Bag 6, 2 runners. Bag 7, one runner and the decals. Bag 8, 2 runners. Bag 9, one runner and some wire. Bag 10, 2 runners. And the last bag, got the one runner and a small runner here as well. Alright, now that I've opened the bags, got that little piece here. Some wire. Here we got the decals. Look like they're your normal stickers, dry transfers, and some normal stickers. And this bag here we got the shield. And here we got runner A. Got some of the yellow parts here, including the V-fin. Got some nice see-through pink, as well as some grey and white pieces, and the clear pieces here for the head. Runner B looks like more of the bust pieces, nice dark blue. Runner C, red pieces, looks like for the feet. Here we got runner D, looks like some leg pieces as well as some of the crossbone on the backpack. Runner E, got more of the white pieces. I have to admit with these, for an older kit, the detail is quite nice. Runner F, some of the inner frame pieces, And you get 2 of these. Runner G, more of the inner frame as well as some of the hand parts. Runner H, more inner frame. Runner I, more leg pieces. And runner K, looks like some of the cloth pieces. And runner L, red parts for the backpack of the cloth. Runner M, got the nice yellow parts. And we got runner P, some see-through plastic pink as well. Quite a nice pink, nice bright. Runner N, more armor and weapons. And lastly, runner O, weapon parts. Okay, and here we got the manual. Basic for the cover. Got front page, shows some black and white illustration of the kit. Here you got some recommended methods and tools to use. Here it gives you a layout of all the runners and parts that it comes with. And just your basic build guide. Now this is solely in Japanese, but follow this diagrams, pretty straightforward. Let's go to the middle. Got here some illustrations of the actual anime, as well as this side here, some close-up of the actual model once completed. On the bottom shows the weapons and the shields, some additional close-ups. And for you that want to customize, got also the color chart here, the recommended colors. And if we skip to the back, got here the charts for the decals, pretty straightforward. And on the back, just a nice picture of the finished product. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did like it, leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I do try and upload on a regular basis. If there's any unboxing that you'd like to check out, leave a message in the description. I do keep track of them, and I'll try my best to get it and do an unboxing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.